Hi, I'm Svetlana. Welcome to my channel. This is a place for you if English is your second language. Here we learn English words, phrases, expressions. You can use them when communicating in English. And today we are going to work with the word highly. Highly means to a high standard, high level. It is used before some adjectives to mean very. Let's look at the examples. You come highly recommended by the Defense Department. Highly recommended by someone. Someone praises you. Someone has a very good opinion of you.
You come highly recommended by the Defense Department, Mr. Laurent. You come highly recommended by the Defense Department, Mr. Laurent.
For highly trained detectives, and not one of you can solve this simple mystery. For highly trained detectives. Detectives are trained to a very high standard in a particular skill. These detectives received a lot of academic or physical training.
Four highly trained detectives and not one of you can solve this simple mystery. Four highly trained detectives and not one of you can solve this simple mystery.
Now, you resigned from an important firm with a very highly paid job. This is a job where you receive a large salary.
You resigned from an important firm with a very highly paid job. You resigned from an important firm with a very highly paid job.
Isn't that flammable? Highly. They are talking about the substance that maybe can explode, so you should stay far away from it.
Isn't that flammable?
Highly.
Isn't that flammable?
Highly.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the lesson, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and see you soon in the next video.